Since the launch of cellhelmet's liquid glass screen protection, the response has been overwhelmingly positive. In fact, it's quickly replacing tempered glass. It's a universal solution, it's invisible, it's easier to apply, and it truly protects your device. But we keep getting the same question. Which is better, tempered glass or liquid screen protection? Now it's time for us to give you that answer. In our previous test, we showed how liquid glass protected a phone from impact up to 9 feet and 4 inches. Now let's do the same test, only this time with a tempered glass screen protector. Here's the pinball being dropped on the phone at 1 foot 4 inches. 2 feet. 2 feet 8 inches. 3 feet 4 inches. 4 feet. 4 feet 8 inches. At 4 feet 8 inches, the tempered glass is officially broken, but as you can see, the phone is still intact. So let's put another piece of tempered glass on the phone and keep going. 5 feet 2 inches. This time the tempered glass is unbroken. 6 feet 4 inches. Once again, still unbroken. 7 feet 4 inches. And at 7 feet and 4 inches, the tempered glass and the phone have officially broken. Now, let's compare. The tempered glass shattered at 4 feet 8 inches, while the phone screen was officially destroyed along with the tempered glass at 7 feet and 4 inches. This is significantly lower than the breakpoint with liquid glass screen protection at 9 feet 4 inches.